friends, welcome to my channel Mom's Kitchen. I have to prepare some meals for the dinner, but I don't have time to make rice and curry or heavy meals, so I want to make very easy and yummy recipe. Here are two recipes. Come on, let's make it. First, I boiled carrot and potatoes with the chicken stock. I have added the video link about my homemade chicken stock in this video description box. Take all-purpose flour and add pinch of salt, 4 tablespoons ghee, 1 egg and coconut milk. Now mix it well. This is not a long video, please watch this complete video. Next, you can use it to make cheese sauce. We need only butter, salted cheese and milk. This recipe easy and yummy. This is the second recipe, especially for your kids. Take all-purpose flour and add pinch of salt, turmeric powder and coconut milk. Now mix it. Take boiled chickpeas and make the chickpeas powder. We have to make two paste, chicken and potato paste, green paste. First boil chicken and potatoes, next grind it well. Take chopped green onion and big onion, it also grind it. Heat some oil in a frying pan and add chopped garlic and all. Would you prefer to drink a cup of chai tea? You can complete your dinner recipe with hot chai tea.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met.
This recipe is for you. Please watch and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.